Hey everyone, new video special from my official YouTube guys and Telegram channel Team Scribble guys. Check please listen guys and don't forget follow. Today guys, in this video I want to show you how to make money online guys. I'm gonna use official website onewin.com for earning money. Also guys, I'm gonna play in the game Aviator Predictor, and I will use guys this crazy application Aviator Predictor for the game Aviator and for OneWin Casino. Okay, right now guys, let's see my lifetime fresh day today. This is fresh video, by the way. $52 guys, my starting amount for this game. Now guys, here we go, let's earn a little bit money. So guys, for example, $45, place a bet. You can see current coefficient 2 and 21 for this round. Let's see guys my winning. Now I'm gonna press this button, cash out. So cash out guys, let's see, $88 my winning and the playing flew away. Okay, perfectly. Next bet, let's $88. So next current coefficient guys, 2 and 15. Okay, perfectly. So guys, let's continue. Let's see guys, cash out, and you can see guys $168 my winning and the plane flew away. So guys, next bet, let's $100, almost 3 current coefficient for this round. Place a bet and let's see guys my winning. Okay, you can see guys the plane gonna fly and cash out guys. Let's see $257, and look at that guys, 333 my total amount. So guys, let's one more bet and I will show you how to make withdrawal. So cash out and $123 my winning and the plane flew away. Okay, next step, withdrawal, and right here guys you can create a new withdrawal request and you can use any withdrawal methods for withdrawal, and like this guys you can earn money online in this game. If you like this video guys, don't forget follow to my official Telegram channel Team Scribble, and if you have some questions you can contact to support service Team Scribble support guys. Thanks for watching, my bye, will see you next time guys.